Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce hibachi. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Next, add 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Finally, include 1 teaspoon of ketchup and 1/2 teaspoon of paprika for that authentic color and flavor. Once all your ingredients are in the bowl, it's time to mix. Use a whisk to combine everything thoroughly. You want to achieve a perfectly smooth consistency, so keep whisking until there are absolutely no lumps left. This step is crucial for the sauce's texture, making it delightful with your favorite hibachi dishes. After mixing, cover your bowl tightly with plastic wrap or a lid. Now, place the sauce in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time is essential as it allows all the flavors to meld together beautifully, enhancing the overall taste. Serve your delicious white sauce chilled with any hibachi-style meal. For a personalized touch, feel free to adjust the sugar or vinegar amounts to match your preference. If you like it a bit sweeter, add more sugar. For more tang, add more vinegar. Store any leftover sauce in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. It's perfect for dipping or drizzling. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade hibachi white sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.